What up though? It's your girl, the goddess Lulu Bliss, and I'm here for a quick rainy day savage yoga sequence. Start on your knees, and we'll begin with our breath here. So you inhale in through the nose, and a deep exhale out through the nose. You want to hear and feel your breath in the back of your throat. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. And one more deep breath out. On your next inhale, lift up to standing on your knees. Exhale all the way down to a child's pose. Inhale, come to hands and knees. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, lower all the way down to your belly. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog, hips high. Inhale. Exhale, come to plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift to cobra. Exhale, come to your hands and knees. Round your spine. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, round. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, hands up above your head, come to standing on your knees. Exhale, back to seated on your knees. So you breathe here. And we're going to go through that sequence again, but we're going to add some weights. So grab your weights. They can be anywhere from 1 to 10 pounds. It's totally up to you. Our reps aren't heavy today, but we are going to run through this sequence twice. So from here, seated on your knees. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come to standing on your knees and give me 8 hammer curls. And out. So your weights come to your shoulders and then they come down. We've got 5 more. Don't just sling the weights, actually have control of them. 2 more. Last one. Good. Gently place the weights down beside you. Come up back up to hands high. Exhale, come into your child's pose. Hips back, fingertips forward, forehead to the mat. Inhale, come up to hands and knees. Get your weights close to you. And instead of our cat-cow, we're going to do some tricep kickback. So we pull it in, back, in, down. In, back, in, down. In, back. Last one. Good. Other side. Plant your hand. Grab the opposite weight. Make sure that you're not wavering to the side that's down, but you want even amount of weight on your knees. And stay steady in between your hands. In, back, in, down. Make sure you're breathing. Last one. Good. Hands up under shoulders, knees up under hips. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale and round. Go onto your cat-cow. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale and round. Inhale, gaze up. And next, exhale, lower. Chest and chin. Inhale, lift up to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come back forward to plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift to cobra. Exhale, prepare yourself. Here we go. Grab your weights closer to you. We're just going to do some rows this time. So row, in and down, in and down, in and down. Press back like you're trying to elbow somebody behind you. Press in and down, in and down. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your weights wide. Come back into child's pose. Fingertips forwards, hips back. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Inhale. Come up to seated on your knees or standing on your knees for your last set of hammer curls. So we've got 8 of these. 6 more. You can tuck your toes if you need to. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your weights, drop your hips. We're gonna do another set here just to finish it off. And we're pressing back. Bring it in, tricep press back. Bring it in, press it back. Bring it in, press it back. 4 or 5 more. 3 more. 2 and 1. Woo, good. Release the weights. Come to a comfortable seat. You can stay on your knees if that feels good, or you can have a seat on your sit bones. Depends on what you need today. Take your arms out long and wide, like you're gonna hug everybody watching this video. Exhale, take your left arm up under the right. Wrap them up like ropes. Beautiful eagle, Garudasana. Pull your elbows away from the body and relax your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in. And on the exhale, unravel your arms, spread them wide. Inhale, other side. Right arm up under the left. Wrap your arms up like ropes. Pull the elbows away from the shoulders, but drop your shoulders down. And breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Unravel your arms, spread them out wide. Bring your hands through to heart center. Honoring the beautiful light that strongly shines bright in each and every one of us. One love, one heart, and together we seal the practice. Namaste.